Today I'm going to show you how to switch from survival mode to creative mode in Minecraft, both on Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support my work. Let's start with Minecraft Java Edition. First, open the game and enter your world. Once you're inside, open the chat, usually by pressing the T key on your keyboard. Then type /gamemode creative. Press enter, and that's it. Your game mode will change from survival to creative. If this command doesn't work, it means cheats are disabled in your world. To enable them in an existing world, press escape while in game, click open to LAN, make sure allow cheats is turned on, and then click start LAN world. After that, you'll be able to change game modes using commands in Minecraft Java. Now let's move on to Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Open the game, tap Play, and enter a world. Just like in Java, you'll need cheats enabled. To enable cheats when creating a new world, tap Create New, then Create New World again. In the left side menu, go to Cheats and turn them on. After that, tap Create World and wait for it to load. In my case, I'm joining a world that already has cheats enabled. You can also activate cheats in an existing world. It works the same way I showed earlier. Once you're in the world, open the chat and type /gamemode creative. And that's it. You've successfully switched from survival to creative mode. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.